everyone. Feels great to have you back. So then, did you all hear about that Arasaka aircraft carrier docked in Night City? Called Kujira, or the Whale. Apparently, the Corp figured it wasn't safe in Japanese waters. Afraid some local fishermen might harpoon it for scientific research. But honestly, it's quite the power move. Wonder what Militech will respond with. Maybe Myers will fly a Rust Bucket B-17 Flying Fortress over Arasaka HQ. Ooh, man, that is insensitive. I am so sorry. Where are my manners? President Myers. I mean, of course. Gotta respect the office. Anywho.
Guess where I'm aiming?
Gas is still crawling. Clean it up, clean it out. Don't want to be bringing the target out under fire. And definitely don't want a slug in your back.
Hold on, Sam! No way. Not neither.
Прижите его, и я проставлю! Я не хочу! Я его... Ура!
Ruby's in looks out on the balcony. Got a window on the left. Give me 2 seconds to grease the light. Don't see any movement on the sensors. Look around. Looks like you gotta be there somewhere. Clear to go.
Mr. Whitey, drop that milquetoast kibble and rush to the nearest store for a taste of sweet, sweet, sweet clean speed. 'Cause life is too short to be slow.
Good evening, Night City. My first guest tonight is the president of the Church of El Yaqui, the last emancipator.
Forgot earlier. A runner I know has something you could probably use.
One Reverend Culver.
Zip in your deets.
Praise be to thee, our Father in heaven. And our second guest is Karina Lee, host of the Chip In program, which promotes the use of cybernetic implants. I'll let you